In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Match and Move in Canva for motion animations. This feature creates smooth, professional-looking motion by automatically animating an element from one position to another. Perfect for logos, images, or any graphic you want to glide, grow, or rotate across your design. Start by opening a presentation or video project in Canva. Add the element you want to animate. This could be a logo, a photo, or a graphic. Place it where you want the motion to begin. Think of this first page as your starting frame. Keep things simple at this stage. One clear element that you'll move later. Using the same exact element on both pages is important because Canva relies on that match to calculate the motion path. Next, duplicate the page. In the timeline, right-click the slide and select Duplicate Page. Duplicating ensures Canva recognizes the element as the same object across both pages. That's what makes the match and move transition so accurate. It compares the before and after states of that identical element. Now, switch to the second page and position the element where you want it to end up. You can move it across the canvas, resize it to make it larger or smaller, or rotate it to create a twist in the motion. This page represents the final frame of your animation. Avoid replacing the element with a new upload on this page. Keep the same one so Canva can track it perfectly. With your two pages ready, hover between them in the timeline until you see the transition plus icon. Click it, and choose Match and Move. Canva will instantly map the element's position, size, and rotation from page 1 to page 2 and build a smooth transition along that path. You'll see the motion applied right away, connecting those pages seamlessly. To fine-tune the feel, adjust the duration in the transition panel. This controls how fast or slow the animation plays. A shorter duration speeds things up for a snappy move, while a longer one slows it down for a more cinematic glide. Aim for a pace that matches your content, quick for energetic sequences, slower for emphasis or elegance. If the motion feels jumpy, try slightly adjusting the element's end position on the second page and test a different duration to get the smoothness you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching.